It's not the video that I wanted to make, man, but we're off to the mechanic now and we are getting the brakes done today. We're getting SPS sintered brakes, sintered pads, because we're going to be doing a track day soon, and that is the pad that my mechanic recommended. Another reason why I'm going to the mechanic is because last night on my way home, if you're watching the video, the bike just randomly died at the top of my driveway getting into my car park. I've got no clue what happened, man. To be honest, it's never really done that in 6 years of ownership. Charged the battery overnight and it fired up first time, and she started strong. It's just like probably the strongest startup I've had since I got the bloody battery. Thankfully we're on the way to the mechanic to tell him what happened. Hopefully it doesn't break down on the way there, man. I rang him this morning and said I couldn't get the bike started last night, this is what happened, and he goes, okay, since you charged the battery anyway, just chuck it in, let it start, let it warm up all the way to operating temp, let the fan come on and bring the temp back down. And he said if that all happens, he said you should be able to ride down. And I was like, if I break down, can I call you? He's like, yeah, I got the van, bro. I hope I don't have to call him, man. The guy's probably busy doing his stuff and I'm gonna be like, hey mate, it's me again. Yeah, on the side of the road. But we're halfway there now and we haven't stopped. Luckily we didn't take the highway to get there, because fuck, if it turns off on the highway, man, I've been in that situation before. You do not want to be on the left-hand side of a highway where there's really nowhere to pull over. Trust me, you do not want to be in that situation. We are in suburban areas now. We're taking the back roads to get there, so it's a bit longer to get there. More chance to stall at a set of lights and be in the same scenario as last night with it not starting. Okay, we are looking to turn right on Baker Street. Come on, baby, just get there. We're not going to push it today, just going to cruise. The Kawasaki gods, just get me to the mechanic. Don't break down. Oh, backfire. That was a nice backfire. Just get there. Just get there. Nah, it's dead. It's dead. It's dead. Fuck, it's dead. Fuck, it just died. Fucking piece of fucking shit. The dash is off. Bro, you're kidding, it's still working. The dash is off. How's it still running? It's off. Fucking hell. What the fuck happened there? Oh, man. Fucking hell, man, it's there. The mechanic's there. I think that's the right turn. Moto Pro, how far are you? 700 meters. Fuck. Bro, it's down that. I can turn right there. I can go there. Man, should I call him? Nah, 700 meters. Surely he can just come around the corner. He's a good guy. Hey Vic, it's Peter with the ZX10, man. Yeah, I broke down 700 meters from your place. Yeah, the dash turned off and it was still running. This was like backfiring and coughing, and it ran for like 60 seconds with the dash off. I stopped on the corner of Baker. I think it's Baker and Wentworth. Yeah, on the main set of lights there. I just pulled over. I don't know if I can get it started back up. Yeah, that's okay. I'll send you the pin location. All right. Okay, thanks, bro. So, right, so that didn't go to fucking plan, did it? Hey, cuz. Just on the side of the road waiting for a tow truck. Yeah, can I call you back, bro? Okay, to see ya. And Vic has arrived. The help has arrived. The mechanic has arrived. Ah, what a good guy, bro. Machine. Okay. Well, there she is in the back. Not the best way to start the day, but anyway. Vic came, picked up the bike in the back of his van now, and we are walking to the bus stop. What a great way to start the weekend. No bike, extra few $100 put on top of the bill, what was already going to be billed. Changed the brakes over, but fuck it. Oh well, it's a weekend of cycling then instead of motorcycle riding.